Go. Oh, they got that nest on there. That ain't gonna save them. What y'all doing up in here?
Where the hell you come from?
Y'all.
What the hell?
Hey, Miss Gibson. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rose. How you doing?
All right.
All right, you know, I came to see you. You know, see how you doing. You know, I went to see my daddy for Super Bowl. We ain't watched the game since Joe Montana was winning. I already planned to come see you, and so I just popped up on him. I said, well, you know, I will come see you, talk to you, and see how you feeling today on your day. How you feeling today? You all right? You all right? Okay, you know, I just want to let you know we got your back. That's why, you know, we do things like this. Let people know I love you. Okay? I got you. Oh, yeah. Also, I know they didn't win, but I was in LA and I got you a 49ers shirt still. I know that's your team, okay? So, you know, when you sitting there chilling, you can be, you know, with your team, okay? Yeah, so that's for you, okay? All right, so let me stop this. My superhero, my mama. And that's my sister, and she didn't know.
Hey, I sure didn't know. No. I had a feeling.
And Olivia didn't know.
Hey.
One person knows Bill, and Devin knew.
Yeah.
So, you know, but yeah, that's for you. So,
My brother surprised his mom.
yeah, so.